Yo, what is up guys? Today's video will be going over my trade breakdown. Today was a pretty good trade, but before we get started, peep the new sweater, peep the goatee combo. You already know I'm gonna start bagging bitches. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. Anyways. Damn, who's that sexy motherfucker? Anyways. Let's lock into the trading. So basically, right here, this is the trade I took. I took it like around right there, all the way down till here, right? And I took partials right on that low right there. So how did this trade even come about? So firstly, if you do some noticing, we'll see that overnight session we went up like crazy, right? And I was expecting us to continue going higher. I still think we're gonna go higher. Maybe take out this high, maybe continue to all-time highs possibly, right? So I see markets just continuously having this trend of just going up. So I was originally looking for some longs, but then what I noticed is on the 4 hour right here, or I think it was the hourly. Okay, it's like basically relative equal highs right here that just kind of got swept, right? They're relatively equal. They're not precisely equal, but they're relatively equal. And I seen that sweep and I seen like a reaction off it. And then I seen us retest, like change stand delivery and stuff, and then retest to this 5-minute fair value gap, respecting it. This is pre-market section. Then we start to come back into this fair value gap again. We were retesting it, like we were like what's called respecting it, and then we formed an SMT with ES, right? As we started respecting this fair value gap, I was just kind of waiting for the SMT to form. Once it formed, and we had this down close candle, I was pretty like sure of myself when I entered shorts, right? Off of this, I was like, okay, it looks like we're about to just have this crazy dump. The thing is, my stops were a little bit higher than usual. It was just kind of like a little bit higher than this right here. Maybe if I remember correctly how I placed it around like this till down here. The reason why I placed it like that is because what's it called, New York Open. See, this was a little bit of a stupider trade. Usually I wouldn't take these types of trades. I was just really confident that we were gonna go down to that 15-minute low and then rebalance these this fair value gap, this inefficiency, and then continue going up off of that. I was so confident that I entered before 9:30, like a minute before 9:30, which isn't ideal. The reason is because I had a high chance of getting stopped out. That's why I kind of made my stops a little bigger than where this sweep was, because maybe it would have swept it and then went down. But anyways, I kind of got like, it was in the direction I was thinking about. It didn't sweep me yet. It just had this clean move down, and off of that one candle I literally hit my TP1, which was, I think it was this low right here. Yeah, this swing low right here was my TP1, I think. Wait, let's see. So that was 892. Yeah, see, this low right here is my TP1. I don't know why I had this one marked out. This was my TP1. And then it just continued going lower. This was a very clean trade. Off of this, you could have probably caught longs, right? This is a manipulation on a higher time frame, and then we touched into a 15-minute fair value gap, and we kind of respected this constant encroachment. I think that's literally constant encroachment. Let's see. Let's mark out this fair value gap at the midpoint. Right, 1 minute, exactly where I think relatively where I placed it. That was constant encroachment. You could have found a long entry off of this. It was kind of choppy a little, maybe off of this like internal sweep or whatever. You could have caught a long entry, but I just turned off the charts as soon as I hit TP, just to preserve some capital. This is on my combine. I made $600. I should have leveraged a little bit more, maybe 4 contracts, and then I would have been up a little bit more, but it's okay. I was just building a cushion, or I'm still building a cushion for the next trades, because I'm gonna start risking a little bit higher now. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, consider subscribing. It's free. You can always change your mind later. I post a lot of informational videos like this. I even post losses, even though, you know, it's a little irregular sometimes. But the thing is, like, if I don't post a trade recap, I usually just talk about my trade in the server. Like, we do trade live together for free. You could just join the VCs. So yeah, it's gonna be in the description. And yeah, also please follow my Instagram. Let me like it's gonna be in the description. Just follow my Instagram and TikTok. I post memes on there, and I do post like some educational content sometimes. But yeah, I just like have fun on it. Anyways, yeah, I'm sorry for blabbing, but yup, see ya.